Tell me how you're feeling.
Your one ear is slightly bigger than the other.
Tell me how you're feeling.
Very uncomfortable. I'm trying to mask it.
Really?
Yeah.
And you can't lift your sleeve up to see
I
if
had a
it's
great
red
time
ball?
riding my motorcycle today. It was awesome.
That keeps you distracted.
It does. It actually keeps me distracted from everything. Except I did have some pretty significant pain in my hip and my lower back that's related to the this spread, I believe. At least it's in the areas where I already know I have a problem. But you stay distracted. I do things to stay distracted. I work, I ride my bike, I go to the gym, I love sitting around. I'm kind of not looking forward to putting up the TVs because I'll spend more time sitting watching TV. I'll probably feel more uncomfortable and I'll spend more time falling asleep at 7 o'clock at night. But I really should be out doing something.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, can you read that back to me? Read that back to me.
I know how perfect you are. You don't like to sit around. You can only eat healthy food. Okay.
Oh, jeez, I dropped my key in between the crack and the bone.
You did not.
I did.
That's a fake table.
I know. You didn't know that.
I did know that. You can see
know
it's
that.
fake.
I know that. The American people know that.
So we can't see what it looks like, even though it's itchy.
No, it's very itchy, very painful. My arms are swollen. Anyway,
Okay.
hey, life is good. I'm living the dream here
Okay.
in Kittery, Maine.
Oh yeah, we're in Maine.
You're in Kittery, Maine now, you know. Absolutely, absolutely.
You're good with that.
But I noticed that first one that came out seemed to be like a sip low.
It was like a sip.
I'm not sure. My whole bartending days took me back to what a real pour should be.
I'll speak to the bartender for you.
Oh. Take the sunset.
I think. Go on, keep talking. Yeah, that's it. Wait,
Believe
lick
me,
your lips.
your video
Lick your
takes
lips.
the
Come here,
sunset.
come a little closer. Now lick your lips a little bit more. Okay. So basically, even though you are castrated, chemically castrated because you're cancer, so your lips and mouth can still move, right? Go on.
Correct, yes.
Show me some action.
Wow, 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 wow.
Okay, so you can do like a marathon. So there can be like a marathon going on tonight.
Well, I could never qualify for a marathon, so I don't know how I'm going to run a marathon.
Why can't you?
I couldn't even qualify.
Why couldn't you? You have energy.
I have the energy.
Yeah.
Are you looking at the table behind me?
Well, first of all, take off the
What?
Harry Potter glasses.
Energy. They're not
Take
Harry
the-
Potter. They're
no.
Eric Clapton glasses.
Take the Harry Potter glasses off, because that's
Then
a
I'm
turn off.
blind.
Nobody's attracted to Harry Potter. I'm sorry, that's not sexy. Okay, I don't mind your blonde. You don't need your eyesight. for
Amanda,
all
you better
sex.
say this quickly before my wife gets back to the table.
Don't
Oh, it is you.
say that.
Oh, Jesus. Wow, these people are going crazy over the sunset. Must be pretty
Okay,
wild
I'm here
out
with
there.
sunset. I'm over here. I'm here.
Huh?
Okay, so at the end of the day, concentration.
Yes.
ADHD does not apply.
We must have total concentration. Would you shut that thing off now?
Really? Do you really want me to, or do you just love it?
I'm going to cover the viewfinder. There you go.